Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll not be solving a CTF challenge but I'll be showing you something that could really help you out in steganography challenges. So before I begin with the actual theme, what I'd like to show you is an image. So if I type in EOG, as you can see, this is just a normal PNG file. So what if I run zsteg? As you can see, there's nothing much. If I run stegsolve, stegsolve, as you can see, there's nothing much that we get over here. What can you do if you get provided with such an image when it comes to CTF challenges? So I came across this article when I was surfing the web. So I found that what you can do is you can actually take the JavaScript code and you can convert it to a PNG file. So I am discussing the methodology over here. So if you are interested, you can watch this video out. But if you are not, there's a link that I'll be giving to you in the description. All you have to do is just type in the code and it will just provide you with a PNG file. As of now, this all this website does is that it converts the JavaScript code to the PNG file. There might be other websites where you provide it with the PNG file and it will actually give you the code that was compressed to it. So let me discuss the methodology over here. So first let us discuss about the nature of a PNG file. So the file that he's telling about is called PNG8. So an 8-bit PNG file has 256 different colors in its palette. It means that each pixel can be represented by 256 bits. And the thing about JS is that JS code is basically a collection of ASCII characters. So there are only 128 ASCII codes. So which means you will not have any difficulty in mapping 128 ASCII codes to 256 different values. Or this is the basic methodology where you take the JavaScript code, you take the header of a PNG file, and then you merge or you append the JavaScript code to the header, and then you get altogether a different PNG file. So this could be really helpful in playing CTF challenges, as many a times, no matter which tool you run on it, you'll be left blank and you'll be having difficulties when it comes to solving CTF challenges. So thank you guys. This is it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please press on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.